This is very surreal. We've seen this concept car, this Mercedes-Benz concept, and every time you see it, you feel like your eyes are playing tricks on you. Is it
CG?
Yeah, is it really there in front of me? And then finally this clip comes out of it driving and these guys driving it. And I'm like, oh yeah, it actually is a thing. It's real. The crab walk thing that it can do side to side, the center piece that allows you to steer it. They could have goofed us as well. These two guys look very polished, so they could have goofed us, but they're saying this is actual drive footage now, and there's a full-out video about the development of it and the interface, the Vision AVTR, or Avatar, road test. I mean, my goodness, that is the coolest car ever?
Yeah.
It is, right?
Yeah.
How
Even
do
how
you...
it operates.
There's definitely
there's no steering wheel.
Yeah, there's some kind of autonomous component because your only input can't be this little joystick in the center where you just rest your hand, and that seems the doors and windows are this glass, and the tires move in every direction. Look, he's completely lounging. Did you see the orientation of his legs sitting in the front seat? He's lounging.
Yeah. He's not in driving mode.
No. And because the joystick, the interface is in the center between the passenger and driver, presumably either could control it, right?
Yeah, that's true.
He could just move his hand and the other guy could get on there. And of course, it has the crazy gills on the back of it. The thing is inspired by Avatar. And it turns on when you place your hand down on the control portion.
It's like palm identification or
palm identification. It's so incredible. And to see it in the real world and to see it driving, it is the future in motion. Now, obviously, there's more questions than answers. It's still a concept. You're not going to pick this thing up anytime soon, but it goes to show you, man, the human imagination and execution, even for a prototype. I love it, man. It's so out there. It's like if you asked the person to sketch up a futuristic car, this is what it would look like. Just nobody would ever make it.
Yeah.
And Mercedes made it.
Yeah.
They said within this video that they were inspired by nature and they wanted it to look almost organic. Like some sort of a creature, and that it would kind of blend with the environment, and same with the aerodynamics and the way it floats through space. It does have a kind of almost like a deep sea creature kind of feel to it.
Yeah, with the gills.
Yes.
In the back.
Yes. Anyway, we're gonna sit in that one day, Will. Don't you worry.